Hey Linux explorers! In this video I'll guide you through updating packages in Ubuntu using the command line. Step 1. Refresh package lists. First, open the terminal and type sudo apt update. This will fetch the latest updates for all installed packages on your system. Step 2. Check upgradable packages. To see which packages have updates available, run apt-list -upgradable. Step 3. Upgrade all packages. To upgrade all packages at once, type sudo apt upgrade. If you want to skip manual confirmation, add -y without -y. You'll get a prompt showing the total upgrade size. Press Y to approve the update manually. Step 4. Verify. If any packages are left, to check if all packages have been upgraded, press the up arrow key to bring back the last apt-list upgradable command, then press Enter. Step 5. Upgrade a single package. If you want to upgrade just one specific package instead of everything, use sudo apt install only upgrade. And that's it. Your Ubuntu system is now up to date. See, using the command line in Linux isn't as hard as it looks. With practice, it becomes second nature. Facing any issues, drop a comment with a screenshot or error message, and I'll create a video to help you fix it. Stay tuned for more Linux fixes and tutorials, because at Fix My Linux, we solve problems one command at a time.